There is a clear line between Junior Data Analysts and Senior Data Analysts. That line is SQL capability. Specifically, 5 SQL skills that most juniors never develop. I work with professionals at every stage of their data careers. The ones who advance fastest all have the same pattern. Their SQL goes beyond the basics. Everyone learns in tutorials. In this video, I am going to show you exactly which 5 SQL skills will move you from being a junior analyst to being the person your team cannot function without. SQL Skill 1, Window Functions. If you are still using subqueries and group by for every ranking and running total calculation, you are working harder than necessary and producing slower queries. Window functions include rowum, rank, denscrank, lag, lee, and running totals with sum over. These transform complex multi-step queries into single elegant solutions. A junior analyst who can write a window function immediately signals to a hiring manager that their SQL experience goes beyond online tutorials. This one skill separates candidates constantly. SQL Skill 2, Complex Multi-Table Joins. Most junior analysts are comfortable with basic end join and left join between 2 tables. Senior analysts work with 5, 6, 7 tables joined with business logic applied at every step. Practice joining tables with multiple conditions. Use case statements inside your joins. Write queries that pull data from several sources and produce clean aggregated business outputs. Every real-world business database is a web of related tables. The analyst who can navigate that web confidently becomes the most valuable person in the room during data discussions. SQL Skill 3, CTEs and Query Optimization. A common table expression, or CTE, transforms an unreadable nested query into clean, logical, step-by-step code that other humans can actually maintain and debug. Senior analysts write SQL that other people can read and understand a year later. They structure complex logic using CTEs. They comment their code. They think about the next person who touches it. Query optimization matters in real environments. Understanding indexes, avoiding select star in production, knowing how your database engine processes queries. These distinguish senior analysts from permanent juniors. SQL Skill 4, Data Quality and Validation Queries. Before any analysis produces a result a business trusts, someone needs to validate that the underlying data is clean, complete, and consistent. That person is the analyst. Write queries that identify null values, duplicates, outliers, referential integrity failures, and date range gaps. Build these checks into your workflow before every analysis you deliver. Analysts who catch data quality problems before they reach the business earn trust at a different level. They are the ones who get asked to lead projects, not just execute them. SQL Skill 5, Stored Procedures and Automation. A stored procedure is a saved, reusable SQL query that can be executed with a single call. Senior analysts build these so teams can run complex analyses without writing a single line of SQL. When you automate recurring queries through stored procedures, you solve a problem once and it stays solved. That scalability thinking is what separates analysts who grow from analysts who plateau. These 5 SQL skills, window functions, complex joins, CTEs, data validation, and automation, are the difference between the analyst who executes tasks and the analyst who leads data strategy. You do not develop these skills by watching tutorials. You develop them by building real things with real data. and pushing yourself past the comfortable basics. Pick one of these 5 skills this week. Find a data set, write the query, then find a harder version of the problem and write it again. Subscribe to Career Experience TV for weekly content on data skills, career strategy, digital transformation, and breaking into the technology industry.